respected judges, here I am Dipanshu, representing my model, behalf of my school, and I am very disappointed. I have chosen this model because today the pollution in Delhi NCR is increasing day by day, and due to this schools are closed and construction work in industries and factories is banned. Sir, this is my model and it is based on climate change due to global warming. You can see here. So these are the factors affecting global warming. See, transportation, industrialization, and here burning of fossil fuels. And you can see that the vehicles produce a lot of smoke and carbon pollutants and CO2, which is increasing greenhouse effect. You know very well that in every house today there is one or more vehicles, and they are releasing a lot of CFC, and also ACs are used in cars. So CFC, here some of the gases which are greenhouse gases. Here it is ozone, here it is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, and nitric oxide. So second one is industrialization. Industries are producing a lot of carbon monoxide and they are also releasing a lot of CO2. As you know that industries are set up in our India day by day, and they are producing a lot of greenhouse gases. Here the third one is burning of fuels, and due to burning of fuels a lot of SO2 is released, which is very corrosive in nature and cause so much suffocation. And here are some natural activities which are causing global warming. For example, here is thawing of permafrost soil, and the bacteria present in this soil decompose it and produces a lot of CO2. Here some of these activities, forest fire and deforestation, they are also both man-made, and they are also leading to increase in greenhouse gases. You see that CFC is the major greenhouse gas, and it leads to ozone depletion, and it causes thickening of ozone layer which is present in stratosphere, which prevents our earth atmosphere from UV radiations, which are very hazardous. And when the holes are created into ozone layer, then the UV rays will start penetrating into our atmosphere, and it will lead to extinction of species. And in here second one is when the temperature arises, then the rainfall also arises, then the clouds will form in a massive amount, and the wetlands are created, and it will also lead to mass extinction.
Okay.
Some solutions to prevent global warming are improvement in energy efficiency, increase in solar and wind energy, afforestation, use triple R method, and we can use CFL lights or LED instead of regular bulbs, afforestation. We should plant more and more trees, as they have tendency to maintain the concentration of greenhouse effect, and we have to keep a price tag on carbon fuels, and we should also use biofuels instead of natural resources. One more thing, sir, that we must try to control our overpopulation so that our forest area remains saved. Sir, I am very disappointed. What will happen to our human race? Will it also extinct like dinosaurs? It is a matter of think. The laws made by government are useless if we do not implement them on our daily life and daily routine. And the laws made by government are very helpful to save our nature, the laws of conservation of nature. If we don't stop polluting our environment, then the day is not so far when the organisms or species come to an end.